Hello and welcome to the first video in your C# programming course. In this video we'll be downloading and installing Visual Studio. It is this IDE that we'll be using throughout this course. To begin, we first need to download it from a browser of our choice. I'll be using Google Chrome. Simply go to your search bar and type in Visual Studio. The first result should be the correct one, so simply clicking on the Downloads option here, or through the main website and going to Downloads. Once on the Downloads page, you should see the following. Here you can download any version of Visual Studio that you want to use. I'll be using the Community Edition as it is free, so any student willing to learn C# has access to it. If you're not using Microsoft, you can find the downloads for the other versions below here. But I am using Microsoft, so I'll start the download by simply clicking here. It'll take you to a thank you page, and you should see the download begin in the bottom left corner. You can run the installation by clicking on this icon down here, or by simply clicking on the installation file in your downloads folder, or as I have it here on my desktop. Running that installation, it will ask you for administrative privileges. Simply click yes. You should see the following box appear. Click continue to start the installation. From there you should see the following. This allows you to choose which additional workspaces you want installed with the Visual Studio Core editor. Now there are many options to choose from, but there's only one that we'll be using, and that's the .NET desktop development. This will give us all that we need to work with C#. Of course, if you're more experienced with C#, you can go through the other workspaces and select which ones are useful to you. But be sure to select the .NET desktop development so we can have all that we need to do some C# programming. Once you have done that, simply click Install. It will now begin downloading all the necessary files and installing them as they go. Now this can take a while as it is a sizable file, so I'll see you when it's complete. And once the installation is complete, you are ready to go. You can simply click the launch button here or go to your start menu and search Visual Studio 2019, as this is the latest version that I am using. Once done, you can place the icon on your desktop if you wish and simply start the program. Now Visual Studio may ask for you to sign in, which case you will have to create an account if you haven't already. Once that's complete, it will present you with this box here. This is the box that you'll first see when creating a Visual Studio project. To do so, you simply click down here, or you can open any other projects from up here. And that concludes this installation. In the next lesson, I'll be showing you how to create a project in Visual Studio and your first line of C# code. I will see you then. Bye for now.